Today I'm not cooking dishes, but would like to share how to season a newly purchased non-stick steel pan. This is not a sponsored video, however, just sharing as I like the product. It's La Gourmet pan that comes with a honeycomb technology as a non-stick feature. Let's open it together. Open the box gently. I am so excited. Oh wow, the pan and lid is very well packed and protected with bubble wrapping. It is so beautiful. I like pan that has see-through glass lid with solid handle. It is so shiny. This looks really solid. There is also a small hole for vapor to escape. Let's look inside the pan. Wow, it looks really beautiful with the black honeycomb pattern. There is also some information and an instruction leaflet. At the back, there are detailed seasoning and care instructions for the pan. Let's take a closer look at honeycomb pattern inside the pan. It looks tough and beautiful. And the outside is shining. It's easy to hold the metal handle. Oh, there is La Gourmet logo engraved here as well. Usually, there are the recommended utensils to use with non-stick pan, a non-scratch spatula and ladle. For example, a wooden or silicone spatula like this. Tongs should have their arms encased with silicone. For utensils used for washing, it's recommended to use non-scratch sponge or nylon wave scrubbles like this. Before we can use the pan, we will need to season it. Seasoning helps the pan last longer, prevent the food bits from sticking to the pan. And to help with cleaning, we will be following La Gourmet seasoning instruction. Place the pan on the stove. Fill the pan with water until it covers the non-stick honeycomb pattern. Put a few drops of this detergent liquid into the water. Any brand can be used. Switch on the heat. Lightly stir the water. Cover the pan and bring it to boil. This will take around 10 minutes for the soap water to come to a boil. Alright, the water is starting to boil after 10 minutes. Open the lid and continue to boil for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the heat. Remove the soap water from the pan. Having two handles for this pan make for easy handling. As the water is really hot, I will pour it in the large basin to cool down first before draining in the sink. Next, place the pan on the stove and repeat the step of boiling soap water for 2 more times. Fill the pan with water. Add in the liquid soap and boil for 10 minutes. Once the soap water has started to boil, continue boiling for 5 more minutes. Alright, the pan has been boiled with soap water for 3 times. Remove the soap water from the pan. Allow the pan to completely cool down. Alright, the pan has cooled down. We can wash it now. I am washing it like I usually do for pots and pans, using a non-scratch sponge and my everyday dish detergent. Give it a good rinse. Next, wash the pan's cover. Alright, the pan has been seasoned and washed. Next, wipe dry with kitchen towel. And we are done. This beautiful non-stick honeycomb steel pan is now ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.